Hello, today I'm here to talk to you about a very special solution that we have developed, which gives you the opportunity to improve the final result of our floors, their resistance to abrasion and their resistance to cleaning. And it's an additive called QRC Refill. And for your floor to be well protected, you need to apply 3 coats of Finish WTRP Radiant. In this case, the first 2 coats will be applied with the QRC Refill additive, and you will apply them with a trowel. You need to carefully incorporate the specific additive into the mixture when you are in the process of thoroughly mixing components A and B together. First, add the additive, which is the powder, to component A and mix it very well until it is smooth. Then, slowly introduce a 10% volume of water if you find that you need to adjust the consistency of the mixture. And finally, add the catalyst and continue the mixing process until everything is completely and uniformly combined together. Once everything is mixed together, that's when you start applying it with a trowel. Apply the first coat with a trowel without leaving too much thickness, just level with the thickness of the product. Once it's dry, there's no need to sand or do anything else. After 6 to 8 hours, you can go ahead and apply the second coat, repeating the process. Once you're finished with the second coat, if the surface is still a bit rough, it's a good idea to give it a light sanding before moving on to the final layer. So you can use a very fine sandpaper like 180 or 200 grit, or if you have a large floor, you can use a giraffe sander, which is a sander that doesn't put much weight on the floor, and with a very soft sandpaper, you can give the surface a light sanding to remove any slight roughness that might remain. Then, of course, we remove all the dust thoroughly, and now we're ready to apply the final protective coat of varnish, which you can apply either with a trowel or a roller, whichever is more comfortable for you. This way, we will apply these 3 coats. We will ensure that the varnish develops enough body so that it remains on the surface after the cross-linking process, which will improve resistance to abrasion on the floors, as well as resistance to cleaning.